So we're going to carry on where we left off. We're talking about what is the current relevance of this question. And then we're going to move on to talk about progress later in this session. So these are four, it could be lots of reasons, but these are four really important ones about why they might be asking this question now. So the first one is Black Lives Matter movement. Then there's what people call the culture wars, sort of identity politics, some would call it, and some people call it wokeism. And then there's the sort of increasing rise of right-wing populism. Then there's also something called decolonize the curriculum, which is not as important, but the reason it's here is because it is important in the academic context. It's important in universities at the moment. And obviously the John Locke Prize is very much to do with universities, so we'll just talk a little bit about that. So the Black Lives Matter movement, which I'm sure everyone would have heard of, actually this shows the influence of sexism and particularly sexism against Black women. But very few people, although everyone has heard of Black Lives Matter, very few people know it was three women that started it, or let alone have ever seen a photo or the names of the three women who are here in this photo. And it was specifically in response to violence by the police force, who are not all white, they might be Black as well. But the point was that the police as an institution in America do not see Black people in the same way as they see white people. They see Black people as people who are more violent, who commit more crime, and therefore can be treated in a different way to white people. So it was a response to that. However, it's grown over the last 10 years to be more about not just reform within law enforcement, though that's probably still the core, but also a broader movement against racism in society.